heavy, wet snow.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today on Tools in Action,
Nothing. What's up with you?
Not much, man. How you been, dude?
I'm good, man. I'm good. Yeah.
How about you guys? What's up with you guys?
Oh,
Anything new and
I didn't
exciting?
even know. Are we on?
If you guys got something new and exciting, put it down below. Today we're talking about
We're getting so desperate.
Yeah.
Come on, if you guys
We need
have any
some type of
excitement,
thing,
can you just put it
anything,
below,
yeah.
please?
Let us know. But today, actually, we're going over something that we've been using a lot here in Chicago. Maybe not as much this year as we have in past years.
This has been the worst winter for snow.
Yeah.
Like, I'm actually, like, wanting snow now. We got, like, 4 or 5 storms. 3 of them we were out of town for,
Yep.
but the most we ever got was 4 inches, and it melted the next day, or was really thick.
No, I haven't even been able to take the kids sledding, which sucks, you know?
Yeah.
But, well, anyway, speaking of snow, if you got snow by you, this is something that might interest you. This is the Toro. It's the e21. You've been using this for this little snow that we've had. Actually, you know what? We've had 2 big snowfalls that you've had.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't think we were here. I mean, literally, I went through some stuff. It was heavy. It was wet. But I gotta say, this thing excelled. This thing went through it. I'm really liking this snowblower.
What do you like about it?
I love the lights. It's got the brightest snowblower lights, or lights I've ever seen on any.
Oh, you took the battery out.
Oh, I took the battery out. But it's got the brightest lights I've ever seen on any piece of OPE ever.
Which is very big, especially because a lot of times because they're so quiet, you can use at night.
Yeah.
And when you're out there, it's nice to
It's
have.
crazy, man. It's crazy. I like the simplicity. I just like it. Just feels solid up here, and it's just lightweight, easy to maneuver around, and it's got pretty good power. Runtime
Single
was
stage,
pretty
right?
good. Yeah, it's a single stage. You know, I mean, obviously to keep costs down, there's some features like this right here. You know, I kind of wish that was up higher towards
that I
me
do.
somewhere. But obviously I understand. And then reaching down for this thing kind of sucks.
I feel like they're all single stage ones. There's only one that I know that you can do from up top.
And that's the
Snow Joe.
No, you can do it on the Greenworks. The new Greenworks has the lever. It's really nice.
Oh, that okay.
Yeah,
See, I like
it's
that. That's
really
nice to have. You know,
Yeah.
it's nice to have.
So yeah, I mean, you know, little things like that. But as far as a solid snowblower, I think yes. Toro, obviously, relatively new to the battery scene, right? Here's their batteries. I do like how you can just have a handle on their battery, pick it up, and you know, this is a 7.5.
Is it a single battery or dual battery?
It's a single battery. Single battery. Easy. You just flip it up, throw it in. The paddles on the front are really nice.
Are they
metal?
Oh, the pedals are metal?
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow, I haven't seen that. Usually they're plastic or rubber. I feel
Yeah,
like.
they're metal paddles. It does a
Wow,
really
okay.
good job of clearing. You know, it's for those. Here's the biggest problem with a 2-stage or a single-stage snowblower, right? And I'm sure 90% of you can tell me this right now. How many times have you gone out there to start it and run it, and it's not ran right? It's been, you know, it won't start.
You're talking about for gas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially with these ones, because these are more of a DIY homeowner one. You know, the guy that knows a little bit about gas engines might go up to that 2-stage. These are just the entry level, the 1-stagers, right? So they've taken the, you know, the whole battery market has taken the simplicity and just put it to a massive level. You got that remote? Massive level, right?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? I mean, I'm going.
No, it does. I understand exactly what you're saying.
Yeah, I just think that 1-stages are really a front runner in snowblowers now, just because of the electric simplicity of them. Yeah, I would recommend this for, you know, grandpa, grandma, you know, small city, urban areas. You know, if you have a 4-mile driveway, no. I would say a 4 to 6 car driveway, which is what I have. Actually, I have an 8-car driveway, but it did my 8-car driveway and my sidewalk. But
even for me,
snowstorm.
you know what? Battery technology has come such a far way that you can do a lot more for a lot longer. Even for someone like me, I was always against snowblowers. I just never liked how loud they were. I liked being outside with kind of peace and quiet. It was very majestic, whatever you want to call it, and I loved it. This, you can go out there and you can it's still quiet. You don't have this big gas engine that's really loud, making a lot of noise. It's still nice and peaceful and easy to use, man. That's what I like. You know, the one thing I did notice about this that I like is the handle. We've seen a lot of them with cheap handles that are very flexible and flimsy. This one seems solid, so I do like that.
It's majestic.
It is. I love the snow. I love wintertime. I know not everyone up here likes snow, but for me, I love snow.
You're
love
like the
going out
only
with kids.
person, and you wear shorts all the time.
I do. I don't know why, man. It's nice. Maybe just because I have kids and they love going out in the snow with me. It's hanging out, and it's the same thing, you know. I don't know. So I hate it when it's really loud and you got a snowblower going. You know. Plus, right now, a lot of places you can only use gas between certain times. So that's where battery comes into play too.
Yeah, even, you know, commercial, you can start using stuff like this, you know, it's quieter. So, would we recommend it? Yes, good snowblower, flex force power system. We're going to try some other stuff out from them, their mowers, stuff like that, and just see, you know,
that battery.
Obviously Toro, you guys, big name in the industry. They actually just bought Ventrac, you guys.
No, it's a 7.5 amp hour battery.
Yeah.
It's a 7.5 amp hour battery.
I know,
That's cool.
I said that.
Oh, did you? I didn't hear.
Yeah. It's funny, you never listen to me when we talk, and I never listen to you.
What's it?
Peace out, you guys. Hashtag Tag Group. Comment below what you guys think of this thing. But you know, overall, it's they did a pretty good job with this one.
Yeah.
So
I think quality. Toro's known for the whole PE stuff, though. So
yeah, cool.
Cool.
Tools in action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.